Hey, it's Risa from Anju Risa. Welcome to my crafting room. As I've said earlier, I'll be uploading a lot of Christmas content this month. If you're looking for a no-sew tutorial, check out my previous video. This time, it's a sewing tutorial. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. These are the colors I would use, perfect for Christmas. The red and green fabric is about 16 by 9.5 centimeters. The white is a faux fur fabric. About 16 by 4 centimeters is enough. With the right sides together, we are going to join the fabric and sew a straight line. Repeat on the green fabric. If you don't have a sewing machine, use hand stitching because it's just a straight line and doesn't require special sewing skills. I'm currently obsessed with fur fabric. After this, fold the whole fabric in half and sew this part. Leave a gap in the middle. This is for us to turn the fabric later. Because I want this headband to stand firmly, stuff a lining fabric into it. It can be felt fabric, it can be sponge fabric, whatever you can find in your stash. Place the lining fabric and sew this part. If you're looking for Christmas decoration ideas, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. I'll be uploading Christmas themed content for this month. If you can't find something you want, leave a comment and I'll reply it with shots. Trim a little, then turn the fabric inside out through the opening. Mark the exact center of the bow, then draw a line in the middle. We will gather the bow with needle and thread. Gather the fabric, adjust a little, tie it, then secure the thread. Now prepare the headband. You can also use hair clips if you like. Glue right on the bottom part so the bow will stand firmly. To finish the center, you can use glitter ribbon or rhinestone. I'll use my beautiful rhinestones. Use hot glue gun if you want it quickly. If you want it to be secure, use hand stitching. That's it, our Christmas headband is finished. Thanks for following this tutorial. If you find it useful, support me by liking and subscribing. Any questions? Write in the comment below. I'll try to reply it with shots. See you in my next video. Bye!